How to compress RAW file in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your iPhone. Files is a central place to access and manage all of your documents. Now, go to the Browse tab and navigate to On My iPhone and then tap on the Download folder. You can find and view your RAR file over here. If you want to compress the file, long press and select the Compress option. The app will immediately compress the file in zip format in the same folder. Your original RAR file remains untouched and is not deleted. This zip file is useful for packaging files to be sent via email or to save storage space. Following these steps, you can easily compress files on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.